In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a complete successful tutorial for pactsafe with Chaperon. We have improved Chaperon a little bit to make it work for your product, so let's get it started. First, create a new tutorial. So we added a new option to tutorials. By default, Chaperon reload pages when you create tutorial for several pages. But in case of your application, it's lazy loading. To prevent page loading, you have to uncheck this option to make it work. Okay, so let's add our first step here. Okay, you have to choose the element is click user interaction to force your user to click on the button. Okay, so let's add our second step here, for example. Okay, okay, here you can let your user click on the next button to show the next step, or you can show the next step when they start adding text in the title field. So let's choose, for example, when user adds text. Next, and do the same with the description field. Okay, and for the last step, we are going to add a new one here. Okay, so let's choose element is click here. Okay, so that's all for for the dialog. And for the next step, we are going to add a last step when user finish create the agreement. So let's create, for example, a new agreement. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to add a new step here. That's all. But for the last step, you should have a wildcard URL. So to make your tutorial play the last step, you have to change some option. I'm going to show you how. First, click on Edit step. Then check the expert mode here. So we are going to use a regress to mark this URL. So let's copy this and paste it here. So this is what's going to change when user create a new agreement. So I'm going to add this to match all your wildcard URL. Okay, that's all. Let's save it. Okay, that is. But one more thing, you have to make sure your tutorial starts. So For the first step, we are going to force our tutorial to reload the page when starts the tutorial. So let's check this option for the first step. Okay. So how is it? You can preview your tutorial. Okay. Click here. Yes. Describe your agreement here. Okay. Okay, so click here to create your agreement. Okay, I click. And that is it. So that's how you can create a successful tutorial for pactsafe. So thank you for using Chaperon.